Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Iqoo Z6 runs the latest system update and supports 5G bands. Insert an active Jio 5G SIM and confirm your plan includes 5G data. Once done, enable mobile data, then briefly toggle airplane mode to force a network rescan. Next, open Settings and go to SIM and Network to select the Jio SIM as the preferred data SIM. This jump-starts the phone to detect available 5G signals and avoids unnecessary delays. Now you'll change the network mode to prefer 5G so the phone can connect when coverage is present. Go to Settings, tap SIM and Network, choose your Jio SIM, and set preferred network type to a 5G-capable option, such as 5G/4G/3G/2G automatic. This instructs the modem to seek 5G cells where available. If the 5G choice does not appear, restart the device and reopen settings. Sometimes the carrier profile, or SIM provisioning, needs a reboot to show 5G. Finish by confirming a 5G connection and testing throughput. Move to an area with known Jio 5G coverage, watch the status bar for the 5G icon, and run a speed test to validate performance. If mobile data fails, verify APN settings match Jio defaults and toggle mobile data off and on, then reboot. If the phone still won't attach to 5G, contact Jio support with your MA and SIM details so they can confirm provisioning or troubleshoot network-level blocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.